friends, in today's video, we present the top 7 self-study tips. We would be discussing the best self-study tricks and hacks to become a topper in exams. Friends, are you ready to take control of your studies and pass your exams with flying colors? Well, look no further, because in this video, we are sharing the top 7 self-study tips, tricks and hacks to become a topper and achieve success in exams. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the first step is plan in advance. Create a study schedule well in advance and make sure to set aside dedicated time for each subject. This will help you to stay organized and on track. Friends, the second tip is take regular breaks in between study sessions. Instead of studying for hours on end, take frequent breaks to refresh your mind and to keep your focus sharp. Friends, the third tip is try teaching someone else. Try teaching the subject or the chapter to someone else, like your friend or a family member. This will help you to enhance your own understanding and you would be able to remember the information better. Friends, the fourth tip is write down the study notes or key points in your own handwriting. By making notes in your own handwriting, you would be able to remember the information for a longer period of time. Friends, the next point is simulate the exam environment. It's important to get used to the environment in which you will take the exam. So, try to take practice tests in a similar setting to the real exam and use similar materials such as the same type of calculator or the same type of pen. Friends, the next step is use different study methods. Not everyone learns the same way. So, it's important to experiment with different study methods to find what works best for you. So, try using different techniques such as taking notes, making diagrams, watching videos, or listening to audio lectures, etc. And friends, the seventh tip is make a study group with your friends. Joining a study group can help you to stay motivated and accountable. Plus, you can also help each other understand the difficult concepts and you can all prepare for exams together. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on the top 7 self-study tips and the best self-study tricks and hacks to become a topper in exams. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.